So this is a database system and information retrieval assignment. I am Chu Ian. Today I'm going to show how to draw ERD diagram for this case study. So first question is identify the main entity type of RXZ Bank. Okay, for that, bank is organized in branches. Each branches is located in a particular city and it identified by a unique name. So this will be the entity, branch, and the attribute, branch ID, branch name, and branch city. So the branch ID will be the primary key for this entity. So next is the bank customer are identified by their customer ID value. The bank store each customer's name and the address where the customer live. For a second entity is customer, and the attribute is customer ID as a primary key, customer name, and customer address. The third entity will be bank officer are identified by their employee ID. The bank administrator store the name and the telephone number of each employee, and the ID is the employee manager. The bank also keeps track of start date of their employee. So this will be the entity employee, and the attribute will be employee ID as a primary key, employee name, employee phone number, manager ID, start date. So the next will be the bank offers two type of account, saving and current account. A customer can hold both account. Account can be held by more than one customer, and one customer can have more than one account. Each account is assigned a unique account number. The bank maintains a record of each account's balance and the most recent date of which the account was accessed by the customer. So this is the main entity, and this is the sub, whereby we are using the key as an optional and whereby they can have both account or either one. So it is option and. So this for account entity is the primary key will be account number. For saving, the attribute will be interest key. Current is overdraft amount. So the next is the loan. Okay, the loan is originated at the particular branch and can be held and only one customer. A loan can be identified with a unit number. The bank offers two type of loan, which is housing and vehicle. You can see vehicle and housing. For housing loan, the attribute will be property and address, property value, and for vehicle will be register number, vehicle color, type of vehicle. So the condition will be option, which is they can choose either one or can have the both also. For the loan, the primary key will be the loan number as a unique key, as a primary key. For each loan, the bank keep track of loan amount and the loan payment. The date and amount will be recorded for each payment. So the payment and the attribute will be payment ID as a primary key, payment date, payment amount. So the second question, identify the multiplicity constraint for each relationship. The first, bank is organized into the branches. Each branch is located in a particular city and is identified by a unique name. Bank customer are identified by their customer ID value. So the bank stores each customer's value and the address where the customer live. Customer may have account and can take out loan. A loan may be associated with a particular banker who may act as a loan officer. So this will be, the relationship will be branch, so that a branch can have many customer, is one to many, can store many customers detail, and one customer can have one branch only to store their detail. Okay, and the next is you can see bank is organized in the branches. Each branches is located in a particular city and it's identified by a unique name. Bank customer are identified by their customer ID value. The bank stores each customer's name and address where the customer lives. Customer may have accounts and can take out loan. A loan may associated with a particular banker, and you can see a loan payment, it's a one-to-one relationship, which means like one employee can handle one loan, and one loan can be having by a employee. And for loan we have two entities, sub entities. subclass, which is option and end, which is like we can have either one. So the next attribute will be the bank officer are identified by their employee ID. The bank administrators store the name and a telephone number of each employee and the ID of the employee manager. The bank also keep track of the start date of their employee. So this will be the relationship between branch and employee, which is 1-to-1 relationship, which means like one employee can have one branch. But for the relationship between employee and branch is one branch can have a lot of employee. So the next one is bank officer identified by their employee ID. The bank administrator store the number and the telephone number, and this is the attributes. Okay, which means like the employee, the bank officer, it's one to many, which means like the bank officer can be many, and the employee can have one storage of information, which is contain employee ID, employee name, phone number, manager ID, and start date. Okay, the bank officer offers two type of account, which is saving account, and the customer can hold both account. Account can be held by more than one customer, and one customer can have more than one account. Each account is assigned a unique account number. The bank maintain a record of each account balance, and the most recent date will be the account was accessed by the customer. Then okay, this is a relationship. Account customer has account, so one customer can have more than one account, and the account can have more than one customer. And the subclass will be the saving and current, which is they can have an optional, okay, to have saving account or current account. So the next will be the bank customer identified by their customer ID value. The bank stores each customer's name and address where the customer is live. So as you can see, this is the relationship between the loan and customer. Okay, the one customer can have many type of, can have one loan, and the loan for the loan under the loan entity can have many customer to take the same loan. Okay, where they can have either mandatory to have a loan, housing loan or vehicle. They can choose how to have both or either one, housing or vehicle. The second one is the next one is a loan originated at a particular branch and can help only one customer. A loan can be identified with a unique number. The bank offers two type of loan, housing and vehicle. So we can see loan is originated by branch. So one loan is originated by one branch only, and one branch can originate one loan only, and the loan is separate to two, which is for housing and vehicle. Under the attribute we have property address and value. For vehicle we have register number, vehicle color and type of vehicle. For each loan, the bank keep track of the loan amount and loan payment. The date and the amount are recorded for each payment. Okay, we can see the loan has payment, which means that a loan has only one payment, but the payment can have a lot of loan. So the payment is come from a lot of loan. So we can see that still the two subclass under the loan mandatory, they must have one, either one. They can have both or either one. So this will be the whole class diagram. You can see the summarized the overall diagram, the branch, employee, loan, payment, vehicle, housing, customer, account. Okay, under the loan we have housing and vehicle. Under account we have saving and current. So that's all, and thank you for watching this assignment. And this assignment is submitted to Dr. Rahayu as assignment 1. Thank you.